Hi again, guys. Welcome back to Cooking with Pouncy. Thank you so much for, again, tuning into my channel. Tonight I'm going to be preparing some chicken wings on the grill outside. It's that time of year and I'm enjoying cooking on the grill. The chicken wings I've got right now, I've got two packages. These are just the wing portion, the drumette portion, if you will, of the wing. Didn't realize when I picked these up that it didn't have the little wing tip on it. I've done that before, unfortunately, but they're going to be good anyway. But anyway, that's what these are, the drumettes portion of the wing. I've got two packages of them, and I think I'm going to just grill the whole both packages. Okay, I'm going to do a couple of ears of corn on the cob as well. Everybody's familiar with that too, I'm sure, as well as that chicken. I'm going to use olive oil just to coat my chicken so that my seasoning, which is seasoning blend seafood magic. I didn't say chicken magic, I said seafood magic. And guys, if you haven't tried this, I'm not promoting anybody's product, but I guess I kind of am. Seafood magic, it's really, really good on chicken. And of course you can use it on chicken as well. Poultry, turkey, whatever you want to use it on. I've used it on chicken before and it's really phenomenal, really, really good, okay? I'll be using some coarse ground black pepper as well for the chicken, along with that seasoning magic, seafood magic. So, without any further ado, that's what I'm going to be doing tonight with this chicken and on the grill, and I'll be trying to achieve or attain a temperature of about 180 degrees for that chicken when it's done, real done, not overdone. And what I'm going to do too, and I'll just share this with you, my wife and I won't be eating 2 pounds of chicken, not that you knew who was going to eat it, but I'm going to cook both of them right now, because what I'll do with the other half of them, I'm going to put those aside, refrigerate them, and in a couple of days I'm going to heat them in the oven, not the microwave. I'll reheat them in the oven, I should say, and I'm going to do hot wings with them. That's left over. The flavor is phenomenal. I've tried that before, guys. I advise you try it as well if you have some wings left over. So that's what we're going to be doing here shortly. And again, I appreciate you joining in, and I'll be back with you as soon as I get the grill all set up and ready to grill these, okay? See you in a little bit. Alright guys, here we go. Everything's hot. The grill's hot, I'm hot, the sun's hot. My neighbor's cutting grass, hopefully way over there, other than right there where he was a moment ago. Here's our bowl of chicken already seasoned with our seafood seasoning that we talked about inside. Got a couple of ears of corn here as well. And I've got some melted butter that I'm going to be basting my corn with. This chicken is probably going to cook about 40 to 45 minutes, I'm hoping. But again, I'll be making sure that it's done. I've talked in other videos about my little handy-dandy thermometer. This is a digital one. Thermometers are relatively cheap, guys, so I do recommend you buy yourself a thermometer and not have to guess at whether your food's done or not, okay? So, that's what I'm going to be doing here, and I'm going to now start putting my wing that's on there. The grill is very, very hot right now, and that's okay. I haven't shot it to back off on the temperature. It's about 550 degrees right now. That's hot. I'm going to go ahead and put them on at that temperature. I'll be turning the grill down to about 400 degrees for that 40 to 45 minutes that I just talked about, okay? if that one gets done, which was the first one I should have tested, the rest of them are definitely done. So I think this is going to also get my 180. And again, guys, thermometers really are not that expensive. They're relatively cheap. Please invest in a thermometer. There's no guessing. It's right at 180. That heavier guy right there. So we're done here. It did not take 40 minutes. And again, that's all up to not interpretation, but what that thermometer is telling you, okay? So I'm going to remove them all to the upper level. So this one here, and I'm going to make sure my corn gets what it needs, like right now here. Turn it the other way. We're just about done with this process. Got a little brownness on this, and that's good. This corn is ready. It's ready right now as well. So I'm going to see you guys inside in a little bit. Temperature, guys, here's the final results. Hot off the grill. Corn is nice and piping hot. The chicken, of course, is hot and done. And we're going to plate this up for you, okay? I'm going to do that right now. And as we do that, oh, the wings are like drummies, or whatever you call them. So we're going to be doing those little guys right here. Yeah, I'm going to mix it around on this plate as well. This is our supper, so that's what's happening here. You guys might have noticed too, I turn these things a lot. You have to really pay attention to them. The fattiness of some of the skin that hangs off, and any residual fat also can start on fire on your grill, and you don't want to have a fire on your grill. Not that it's going to really hurt anything, except it's going to burn that chicken, so you have to really keep an eye on it. And again, that's why I turned them. Sorry for walking away for a second. That's why I turned them a lot, okay? So I can touch these. They're all clean. I don't have any raw food in my hands. I didn't touch anything raw. So I'm going to garnish this a little bit, like I always like to do. I got some blackberries here, some fresh blackberries, and some strawberries as well. Put some color on these plates, on these fabulous wings that we're going to have here. So that's what we're doing here with these. And thank you so much again, guys, for tuning in to my channel. Hope you like what you see, and I'm going to hold this up for you. Okay, guys, they're all plated up and ready to chow down on these here. I think they look really good. Very attractive plate. There's my strawberries and my blackberries, my corn and my chicken wings, and I can't wait to chow down on these. And the other one looks the same as well. So again, thank you so much, guys, for tuning into my channel, Cooking with Pouncy. I really appreciate that. Please subscribe if you like, and please share this with others, and let me know what you think as well. We're going to have dinner now, and we'll talk to you next time. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye.